guys, we have made it up till part 26 of how to create a epic Discord server for your YouTube channel. And in this one I have decided to add in a separate channel for server invite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my main server, and just click edit, copy, and go back, and under server stats I'm going to mention this text channel server invite. So important this is. Server invite and I'm going to take it over here and I am going to pin a comment and lock this channel up. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is go to over here. We have already done it. Invite people, edit, never, expire after never, no limit, and generate, copy, link, invitation, link to your YouTube channel name, Discord server, and I'm going to save the changes and just pin it over here like this. And also what I'm going to do is overview, permissions, yes, we will fix those later. So guys, in number 26 we discussed how to adding a server invite section channel under server stats. See you soon in number 27.